Are your backups draining your budget and slowing recovery? Meet StorONE's game-changing auto-tiering solution. Backup storage is a challenge. High-capacity drives burn budgets, slow restores disrupt business, and managing tiers is a nightmare. StorONE's intelligent auto-tiering places active backups on lightning-fast SSDs for rapid recovery and archives older data on cost-effective HDDs. A public sector agency slashed costs by 45% and cut recovery times by 60%. With immutable snapshots and virtual storage containers, your backups are secure and simple to manage. Ready for cost-effective, secure, and fast backups? Visit StorONE.com to schedule a conversation and transform your backup storage with StorONE. Store more data, stay fast and secure, spend less. StorONE.